Hello guys, welcome back another video. You have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts like elephant root trick for men's, and you will say get lots of benefit related to men. You can say like erectile dysfunction issues, and there are lots of issues related to your sexual life, and you will get lots of benefit by this product. So it will really give you good results or not. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, like in today's time there are lots of scams happening, so you need to be very careful. Because why I'm saying this thing, like when you visit on their ad, you will see they have provided very good presentation, or you can say like very attractive presentation. And when you read their presentation, when you watch their full video, and when you try to buy any product, they will provide you some kind of product, okay, and you have to invest lots of money. And when you use the product, when you invest your money, you will not get anything in the end. So after using product, you are going to regret, because there is no real proof available like this kind of product really worthy for you, really work for you, because these all are a scam. And when you consume this kind of product, then there is no guarantee about this thing, like it will safe for you or not. So without doctor consultation, you should not consume any health related products, and you should not try any product which is not recommended by your doctor, okay. So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. I have done my job, now your turn. You can also make a comment where you have seen this kind of advertisement on your social media account. So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.